Consider which type of connection do you naturally make the most often. Why? When is making a connection helpful, and when might it distract you from the author's message? How have your connections changed from before reading to after reading? What did you learn about yourself by making connection to this text? If you reread this text in 5 years, how might your connections be different? I still have a question about rate your thinking 1 through 5 stars. Use a chart on the right-hand side to complete the sentence. For example, I gave myself 2 stars because I made a connection but needed stronger evidence.